Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about least common multiple, which relates to Florida State Math Standard 6.NS.2.4. Our essential question, or what I want you to know by the time this video ends, is how do you find and use the least common multiple of two or more numbers? Okay, so we're going to be finding the least common multiple. Your first question might be, well, Mr. Bell, what exactly is a multiple? And a multiple is the multiple of a number is the product of a number and another number. Okay, and an example of that is 9 is a multiple of the number 3. So what I mean by that is 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is also a multiple of 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. So all these are multiples of 3. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the least number, or the smallest number other than 0, that is a multiple of all the numbers. Okay, so that's what we're trying to determine. The first thing I want to do is talking about an example that we have where we're going to try to just list common multiples of two numbers. Okay, so here we got a problem where Ned is training for a biathlon. And if you don't know what a biathlon is, it's a race where part of the race you're swimming, and then the second part of the race you're riding on a bicycle. Okay, so you have to train for that. And this guy's training, and he decided that every 6th day he's going to swim, and then on every 8th day he's going to bike. So the question asks, what days is he going to do both? Okay, so I went through and I've highlighted every 6th day. So every 6th day he's going to swim. So on the 6th day he's going to swim, the 12th day, the 18th, the 24th, the 30th, 36th, 42nd, 48th, 54th, 60th, 66th, 72nd, 78th, 84th, and then the 90th and 96th days. He's swimming on all those days. And then the bicycling he's going to do every 8 days. So on the 8th day, the 16th, the 24th, the 32nd, the 40th, the 48th, the 56th, the 64th, the 72nd, the 80th, the 88th, and then the 96th. Okay, he's going to bicycle all those days. So the question asks, on what days will he both swim and bicycle? Okay, so, and then it goes on to say that the numbers of the days that Ned will swim and bicycle are common multiples of 6 and 8. Okay, so he's going to swim on the 24th day and bicycle both on the same day. Then he's also going to do it on the 48th day. He's going to do it again on the 72nd day, and then he's going to do it again on the 96th day. So those are all common multiples of 6 and 8. Our next example, we're going to find the actual least common multiple of a couple numbers. The numbers that we're going to find the least common multiple for are 4 and 9. Okay, and we're going to do this by listing all the multiples. Okay, well, we're not going to list all the multiples because you won't stop if you try. You can always get another multiple. All right, but I just listed out the multiples out through the 12th multiple of each number. So the multiples of 4 out to the 12th number are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. Alright, and then I listed the multiples of 9 the same exact way. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, and 108. Okay, so I want to look at my two lists of multiples and compare them and say, okay, which ones do I have in common? And more importantly, what's the smallest number that they share or have in common? So if I go through and I say 4 and 8, no. 8 and 18, no. 12, I don't have 12 over here. I don't have 16 over here. I got 18, that's kind of close. 20, I don't have 20 over here. 24, that's kind of close. 28, nope, not yet. 32, ooh, I got close to 36. Ooh, look, I have 36. So 36 and 36 are common numbers. 40, 45, 44, 45, 48, not yet. So, I mean, I could keep going with the 4s, but this is enough because this is the smallest number that they have in common or they share. So the LCM, or the least common multiple, of 4 and 9 is going to be 36.